So I survived this nor'easter known as Nemo, and I want to show you the aftermath and how exactly I got through this storm. But yeah, here we go. So first let me show you how deep it is. This is a 22-inch tomahawk handle, and so let's stick that baby in the ground. So we're looking at about 15 inches of snow, maybe 16. Now, this right here that you're looking at is not actually a mound of snow. This is actually my fortress that I made to withstand the storm. And what it is it's a tent that's about 6 feet high and maybe about, I want to say, 7 feet wide, approximately. And what I did is I built, give you an idea how deep this is further. That's how much my feet are sinking in. So what I did is I built a teepee over top of my tent, and then I put a shitload of tarps on top of that teepee. And what that does is that keeps my tent from caving in, because this is a lot of snow. This teepee is probably about, I want to say, 10 feet high from the bottom all the way to the tippy top there. And as you see, my doorway is pretty clogged up. This is my doorway. I've actually got to shovel this through so my girlfriend can get out without crawling on her hands and knees. But yes, this is how deep it is. And as you see, there's a pole there. That's one of the poles I cut with my cold steel trailhawk tomahawk, and I just got a bunch of these. Went down in the woods and found a bunch of these younger trees and made poles out of them. So couldn't have done it without the cold steel tomahawk, that's for sure. It was a lifesaver in this situation. And I'm under this pine tree here, which shelters me from some of the snow, anyways. But this storm was quite a doozy. We had some high winds of about, I think some of the gusts were about 40 miles per hour, maybe 45. So, anyways, I figured I would just show you how I survived the storm, and now we're going out to eat pizza. So, thanks for watching. Think for yourselves. Don't die.